You're gonna put these lashes on. Style 213. They're really soft and feathery, and I think it's a great look for Mary Catherine. To take them out, I know sometimes people want to know how to take them out without ruining the lash. I find if you bend the package, and then you can just pull it right off. No problem. So if you hold this lash up to Mary Catherine's eye, she has small eyes. So, no, you know what? I'm gonna leave it. I like the drama. So, I'm gonna put some glue on. A lot of people use tweezers to put the glue on, to put lashes on. I can't do that. I just don't know how to do it. I'm also a drag queen, so I'm used to doing it with my own hands. So that's why I do it with my hands. For other people, they might find it easier to do with tweezers. You want to let the glue dry a little bit before you put it on your eyes. If you don't, it'll just get messy, and it'll just take forever for the lash to dry.
Nice. You're spreading it with the bottom of the glue tube?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Because I'm a professional, damn it. Alright. Last little trick is your eyes are not that shape. Your eyes have a little bit more roundness to them. So you want to take both ends of the lash and you want to bend it like that. Do a little twisty motion. And when you do that, it's more round.
Hold still.
See the difference?
Yep, you certainly can.
Okay. Some people put on eyeliner before the lashes. Lashes first, then eyeliner.
And why is that?
Because the lashes are going to take away, they're going to be on top of some of that eyeliner that you put on.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just going to be a waste. You see how they just pop on very easily? It's not a lot of fuss and a lot of...
And when you bend them, like you did,
suctions right onto the
you don't get the little end pieces coming up, which is usually the problem.
Exactly. Open for me. That.
Beautiful.
Same thing. Bendy twisty. Like a slinky. Just aged myself right there.
They still have slinkies.
They do? Oh, thank God. I like to go in before it dries just to make sure that everything is doing what it's supposed to be doing. You want your lash right at the lash line. You want it to make it look as much like your own lash as possible. Sometimes they want to act funny. Like that one. Oh, hold on. I see what's wrong. It's too far out.
So you had started, it was going down to the lash and wasn't on the skin.
Yeah, it wasn't
Gotcha.
on the skin. And also it was too far out. I needed it back in. Now don't worry about those white glue marks, those are all going to dry. Open.